Hello students, this is the part 2 of my previous video, that is matter in our surrounding. So take a quick revision of previous video. In the previous video we studied about matter, its property and the characteristics of the matter. Now coming to the next step in which we learn about the states of matter, properties of solid, liquid and gas, and learn about the process of diffusing and how one state of a matter changing to the other state. These all things are learned in this video. Now we start the second part of the video. Matter. Anything that has weight and occupies space is called matter. Below the definition, there are a lot of examples like pencil, cold drink, apple, wind from the fan, air. These all things are matter because they occupy space, they have mass and volume. But in actual, states of matter are three types: solid, liquid, and gas. But there are also two another states of matter, that is plasma and Bose-Einstein condensed state. But we consider only three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. In solid has a definite shape and volume due to the strong bonding in between the molecule. In the first figure you have seen the molecules of the solid are very closely packed to each other. Due to this close packing, the solid have definite shape and volume. For example of solid include ice, magnet, mobile, pen, etc. In liquid, a liquid has a definite volume but take the shape of its container just because of loose bonding between the molecule. In the figure you have seen the molecules are loosely packed then solid. They are not arranged regularly. Due to this irregular arrangement, the liquid has a nature to flow. For example, water, milk and oil. But in gaseous, a gas has neither a definite volume nor a definite shape because there is no bonding in between the molecule. The molecule are free to move. In this figure you have seen the molecules are not touching to each other. They are totally free to move for here and there. Examples of gases are air, oxygen and helium. The fourth state is plasma. It is hot ionized gas that has approximately equal positively and negatively charged particles. The characteristics of plasma are different from the ordinary neutral gases. That's why it is exist as a fourth state. You have seen tube light, electric arc, flame, luminous, that all are the examples of the plasma state. The fifth state is Bose-Einstein condensed state. It starts when the atoms start to get cooled. When the atom get cooled, they get closer and begin to clump. When the atoms clump up, they become one big ball. That all are the same. The properties of solid, liquid and gas. First property है mass. Solid, liquid and gas both three states have definite mass. Second property है shape. Solid have definite shape but liquid acquire the shape of the container and the gas is also acquire the shape of the container. This is because solid have strong bonding in between the molecule but liquid and gaseous has not. Third property is volume. Solid have definite volume and liquid also definite volume but gaseous has indefinite volume. Compressibility. Next property, compressibility. Compressibility means have tendency to compress but solid have strong bonding so they did not compress and liquid is almost negligible compressed, but gaseous is highly compressible. Next property है fluidity. Fluidity means have tendency to flow. Solid does not flow, liquid can flow, and gaseous also. Sixth property है rigidity. Solid are highly rigid, liquid are less rigid, and gases are not rigid. Seventh property है diffusion. Diffusion means mixing of two states. Okay. So solid have less diffusion tendency and liquid has fast diffusion tendency, and gaseous has too much fast tendency to diffuse in each other. Eighth property is space between the particle. Most of the particles in solid are closely packed, but in liquid they are less closely packed, but in gaseous they least closely packed. Ninth property and last, interparticle force. Solid have strongest interparticle force and liquid has slightly weaker than in solid, and there is no force between the gaseous molecule, so there is negligible interparticle force. Now, next topic is interconversion of state. First of all, the solid is converted into liquid by increasing the temperature. On increasing the temperature, the molecule of the solid get loose and convert into liquid. This process is called melting. And second process is evaporation. When we further increase the temperature, the bonding between the liquid molecules are break down and they are freely to move. This conversion of liquid to gas is called evaporation. And third one is the conversion of solid into gas directly by the process of sublimation. These all processes are depend upon the heating. Now next three processes are depend upon the cooling. First process is condensation, when the gaseous is converted into liquid on cooling. When further cooling, the liquid convert into solid. When the gaseous is directly converted to the solid, that process name is deposition. The definitions of all the process is here now. First is melting, and second is evaporation, third is sublimation. These three all processes are depend upon the temperature. Another three process, condensation, freezing and deposition, that three processes are depend on the cooling. These six processes are involved in the interconversion of the states of matter. Now, here is a question for you that is related to my first part video. So, that is your question. Do share your answer in comment box and don't forget to subscribe my channel Mansahchemistry for upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye and have a nice day.